Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you guys for returning, especially my subscribers out there. You guys are so loving and show so much support. From day one, complete strangers that I've never met before. It just melts my heart. Thank you guys so very much. Okay, so for today, it's a really fun recipe. We're gonna be taking different flavor muffin mix and turning them into pancakes. I prepare these for brunch parties and everybody's always so impressed with all the different toppings. They think I've been slaving away in my kitchen all morning, but nobody knows how quick and easy these are to prepare. I'm gonna be showing you guys today. Now let's get started. The different kinds of muffin mix you can use to make these pancakes. Every store carries one or two varieties, so choose whichever flavor you like. Today we're going to be using chocolate chip, this blueberry flavor, and banana nuts. All of them have different directions to prepare the muffins, but we're not going to be following them today. So add the mixture to your bowl and start off with adding 1 egg. Next, go ahead and add the milk. You want to treat this like a pancake batter, so add enough milk to make the same consistency of a pancake mix, which usually is around 3/4 cup. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I post new recipes weekly. They're always quick and easy videos with a unique twist. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you guys won't miss out on them. Now, if you like your pancakes thick, you'll want to add a bit less liquid to have a pretty thick batter. And of course, if you like them thinner and fluffier, you'll want to stick to a looser batter. Once they're all mixed up, you guys pretty much know the drill. You'll want to heat up the griddle with plenty of butter to cook these pancakes up. Top them off with some more butter and warm maple syrup. These pancakes are something worth trying. So fluffy, so tender. My favorite will always be the chocolate chip.